Today I'm going to show you how to make a toilet paper roll chain so you can put it on your Christmas tree. You will need toilet paper rolls, paper, markers, scissors, and tape. First, you'll cut the toilet paper roll into rings like this. Like this. Once you've done them, set them aside. Once you got the toilet paper roll cut into rings, now it's time to cut the paper like this. It should look like this, and then if you want, you can color them in. If you ask me, I would do Christmas colors like green, red, gold, and silver and stuff like that. Okay. Now let's tape on the paper onto the toilet paper ring. And that should look like this. Once you finish them, set them aside. For the second part of the toilet paper roll Christmas chain, you have to cut this one in the middle like this. And then you have to thread it through. And then you tape it together. And then you tape the red paper like this. And that's how it should look like. Once you finished it, set it aside. Okay, here's what the chain looks like as a final product. Like I said, you can hang it on your Christmas tree. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays, and please subscribe.